poverty and unemployment. Question 1. Which of the following correctly explains harmonized unemployment rates? A. Unemployed people are those who are of working age who are without work, are available for work, and have taken specific steps to find work. B. Unemployed people are those who are of working age who are currently working at the same time looking for better opportunities in work. C. Unemployed people are those who are of working age who are working currently in more than one organization. D. Unemployed people are those who are of working age who are without work, are available for work, but haven't taken any specific steps to find work. Question 2. About Ajivika National Rural Livelihoods Mission, NRLM, which of the following statements are correct? 1. It was launched by the Ministry of Labour. 2. The program is supported partially by the World Bank. 3. It aims at creating effective and efficient institutional platforms to enable the rural poor to increase their household income. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Which of the following are correct about Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, PMKVY, scheme? 1. It was launched under Make in India mission. 2. It aims at vocational training and certification of Indian youth for a better livelihood. 3. PMKVY is implemented by the National Skills Development Corporation, NSDC. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Which of the following statements are correct about Global Multidimensional Poverty Index? 1. It was launched by the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative, OFI. 2. MPI is based on the idea that poverty is unidimensional. 3. It takes into account three dimensions broadly, i.e. health, education and standard of living. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements about Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Work, MGNREGA 1. The primary objective of the scheme is to guarantee 100 days of skill-based employment in every financial year to adult members of any rural household willing to work. 2. The Act mandates Gram Sabha to recommend the works that are to be undertaken. 3. At least one-third of beneficiaries under this program have to be women. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the statements regarding poverty in India. 1. Absolute poverty is a situation in which a person's income falls below a certain percentage of the national median income, while relative poverty is defined as a state in which a person cannot meet their most basic needs. 2. Alak Committee in 1979 determined a poverty line based on monthly per capita expenditure, and Rangarajan Committee report in 2014 determined a poverty line based on a minimum daily requirement of calories for an adult. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Economy, key terms in news. Question 1. With reference to the term, bad bank, seen sometimes in news, which of the following statements is correct about bad banks? A. Bad bank is a status given to a bank with outstanding non-performing assets. B. Bad banks helps commercial banks to resolve their bad loans. C. Bad banks are involved in lending and accepting public deposits. D. None of the above statements is correct. Question 2. With reference to term, white good, seen sometime in news, which of the following statements is correct? A. White goods are big consumer appliances which traditionally were available only in white color. B. White goods are those electronic goods which are exclusively imported into India. C. White goods is a term used to refer to industrial revolution in Europe, associated with production of cotton. D. White goods refer to raw dairy products which are not usually refrigerated and should be consumed in short duration of time. Question 3. Which of the following statements is true about the term roll over related to economy, seen sometimes in news? A. It is the practice of publishing new credit schemes by public sector banks wherein existing customers can transfer their old credit schemes. B. It is the practice of refinancing of debt with payment of additional fee. C. Generally, shorter the term of maturity of debt, less is the rollover risk associated with it. D. It is generally used as a measure by borrower to prevent situations of debt trap. Question 4. The positive pay mechanism introduced by Reserve Bank of India means A. Timely payment of interests over loans financed with commercial banks. B. Ensuring customer safety from cyber attacks in transactions from ATMs. C. To augment customer safety in check payments with commercial banks. D. To reduce the amount deducted for exchanging damaged notes of denominations over 100 rupees in order to encourage more such exchanges.